Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Utaba channel. I am back with another video of stairs today. So friends, we are going to draw stairs today. So let's get begin. Firstly, take the pencil and the paper and draw the structure of stairs according to me. First, I draw the big rectangle, same as I draw another rectangle to make the stairs, and then I join them together. It is very easy to make the stairs. Make the rectangles and then join them together. I draw the hearts in them. Now, friends, I take the black marker to make the stairs more visible and beautiful. Friends, are you enjoying making the stairs with me? After making the stairs bold and visible, now it's time to play together with the colors. So friends, let's start playing. Now it's time to select the colors for the stairs. First, purple. Second, dark blue. For the third, I'm going to take is light green. For the fourth, I'm going to take yellow. Now orange. Then red. Lastly, I take light pink. Now friends, it's time to color the stairs together. First, purple. Dark blue. Light green.
King of Spain's daughter came to visit me, and all for the sake of my little nut tree.
Yellow.
Her dress was made of crimson, jet black was her hair.
Here I'm taking orange.
My nutmeg and my golden pear.
I take red here.
I said so fair a princess never did I see. I'll give you all the fruit from my little.
Lastly, I take light pink.
I danced o'er the water, I danced o'er the sea, and all the birds in the air couldn't catch me. Yeah!
Awesome! The stairs look so amazing. So friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any of our updates. This is Sutaba signing off until my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.